Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So we had a major breakout in the market today reacting to Jerome Powell. Now, is this the beginning of our Santa Claus rally? I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above to contain this momentum, which indicators will give us confirmation on momentum. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that are mentioned throughout the week. So let's move into this one. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart with you guys here on the S&P 500. This is the 500 largest stocks in the market, representing most of the market, so you guys can see exactly what kind of momentum we have for intraday perspective breakouts and what exactly it's going to take for us to get that Santa Claus rally leading into the end of the year. Now, I do want to say we mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. We also mention any halts that are worth looking at, and we also do update the market throughout the day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. Now, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart again, we got this major spike today. Again, Jerome Powell not mentioning much of an increase in inflation at a quicker pace. Also mentioning that COVID is going to be very key and unemployment extremely key to be watching. So again, those two things are extremely key. But as far as the Santa Claus rally, we do not have any more Fed meetings. Does that mean that we're going to possibly rally? Now, I'm going to show you guys what level we're looking for. Again, as you guys can see, we do have this spike today. We have all-time highs here at about 473.60. Looking to see if we can continue on past 475, in my opinion. As you guys can see, we bounced just off of 450. Looking to see if we can continue on with that bounce. And as you guys can see, we have our VPVR here showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within this stock's time period. Again, this is the SPY, the S&P 500. Making sure we do stay above 468, in my opinion, is going to be very key. As you guys can see, we have two doji candles here, very indecisive, and also that continuation sell-off that we had here. Again, as you guys can see, Jerome Powell mentioning that increase in tapering, and also the Omicron variant coming out this point in time, having this major sell-off. But however, we had a major bounce back today, as Jerome Powell mentioning that, again, we don't have too much of an increase in inflation at a quicker pace, although COVID could change that. So again, COVID, again, like I said, very much on the watch. Looking to see if we can pass 473 on SPY and hold above it is exactly what we're looking for to get more momentum leading into the end of the year. Again, the market very much has pulled back multiple times and had multiple rallies. So we're going to definitely keep the market on the watch. This is the SPY. We're looking to see if we can, again, hold over 468 and break back over 473 and hold above it here to get more momentum. Now, I do want to mention something specific about the MACD here. Again, this is our buy pressure and our sell pressure. As you guys can see, we had a large amount of buy pressure coming in on this bounce. And as you guys can see, we got our spike today. We have this decrease in sell pressure with these white shaded lines coming in. Looking to see if we can result in an increase in buy pressure is exactly what we're looking for to continue on with this momentum. If we can increase in buy pressure just like we did on that bounce, and we do break over 473, then in my opinion, we do get that Santa Claus rally that we're looking for. Again, this does not mean that every single stock necessarily is going to continue to break out or that every single stock is necessarily going to continue to go up, but it does mean that we do have a lot more volume potential if we can stay over 473 and we do continue on with that buy pressure here on the MACD to get that momentum is exactly what we're looking for. Again, I'm glad that we got Jerome Powell out of the way and we do not have any more CPI or Fed meetings coming up. So we're definitely going to keep the market on the watch for that possible rally into the end of the year. So going into tomorrow, we will be looking to see if we can hold 468 here. If we cannot hold 468, then we will come back down and test the 50-day moving average. As you guys can see, we bounced just off of it today, and we will come back down and possibly test it and come back up and look to see if we can continue on from there. So we will keep the S&P 500 on the watch to see if we can break into new highs, as we are very close to it. And if we are going to have a Santa Claus rally, in my opinion, we will easily break into new highs. So again, having said that, and with that said, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys. If you guys do like this video, it does help with the refinement, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.